Hello guys, here is an Arduino and how we can use an Arduino and what we can do with Arduino. There is a Arduino Uno with R3. There is a dip IC on the top of Arduino Uno 3. It is just a microcontroller and you can burn a program in it and use as you want. Let's start. There is a reset pin. It will restart or shut down or completely reset this Arduino and restart your Arduino. Here is the USB port. You can program through your PC or burn a program in Arduino Uno R3. There is also a power up cable. You can connect a 5 volt 1 ampere adapter with this and you can power up Arduino board. And there is also a power section. You can also power up Arduino through this VIN pin and ground. Just connect a 5 volt pin out there, pick a jumper wire and insert 5 volt out here and a ground pin there or here. And you can also extract or take 5 volt or 3.3 volt from Arduino Uno for external sensors which you want to connect through Arduino. There are analog pins which are 6 A0 to A5. You can use as analog for some purposes like tone or generating some type of frequency. And there are 13 digital pins 0 to 13 and there are 6 pulse width modulating pin. You can change the modulation of these pins. There are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. These are pulse width modulation pin. Let's start programming. Just simple on Google write download Arduino. There is an official website of Arduino which gives a software. Just simple, it's an open source software. You can download anywhere from anywhere free of cost. Arduino also provide a web editor. You can edit your complete code and check is it working or not. And there is also a Windows version. You can install it in your PC or use as you want if you don't have internet connections. I prefer you to install a Windows installer instead of Windows zip, because in Windows installer it install driver in your PC. I already installed this software in my PC. So just simple check an example, basic example blank. Code start from here and end out here. It's just a pretty simple. First of all, we have to set up which pin, what we want from which pin. There is a LED built in. It's just a pin 13. It's a built-in function of Arduino that the pin number 13 is connected with this light, and you can blink directly this light if you want to blink it. There is also two lights, TX, RX for transmission and receiving, and the on pin. If you power up this Arduino, this on pin on LED will glow. Let's check out program. First of all, we have to choose pin mode and which pin we want to use. Here is a LED built in. You can write pin number 13. Just simple write 13 and what we want to achieve. We want to use it as an output, not as an input. So just write output, and there is a function named by while loop. It repeats itself again and again until you shut down your Arduino. There is a command named by digital write. If you are using analog pin, so there will be digital, instead of digital there will be analog write. And which pin you are using, LED built in high main, it will produce voltages like 5, it's just like 10. It will give 1 at the output, delay 1. It is in milliseconds, so it will be just a 1 second delay. After this there is another command digital write and LED built in low. Now it will pass 0 at the output, so LED will stop glowing. And after that there is another delay of 1 second, and this will repeat itself again and again. And there is an option how you can burn it. Just simple upload. It will take a moment and it will completely burn a code in your Arduino. First of all, it will compile, is it okay, or your program is right, is there any error. If it is okay, then it will burn complete code in your Arduino board. Now it's compiling complete code. Now it is uploading code on Arduino board. Done uploading. That's it. Now you can check changes in your Arduino board.